Welcome to a U2 apartment tour of a 3-bedroom, 1.5-bathroom apartment now available in Arverne, New York, 11692. This newly renovated home offers modern appliances and a clean, updated layout throughout. Located on the garden level of a 2-family home, you will enjoy exclusive access to a private backyard, perfect for relaxing outdoor meals or quiet mornings. The apartment features 3 well-sized bedrooms ranging from queen to full size, with 2 of the bedrooms offering closets for convenient storage. Bright rooms, modern finishes, and a comfortable flow make this a great space for anyone seeking both privacy and comfort. The location is a major highlight. You are moments from Rockaway Community Park and Dubos Point Wildlife Sanctuary, and within walking distance to both the beach and the bay. Enjoy fishing, scenic walks, fresh air, and everything the Rockaway lifestyle offers. Transportation is easy with the A train at Beach 67th Street, plus access to major highways including the Belt Parkway, Bay Boulevard, and the Nassau Expressway. Nearby attractions include the Rockaway Boardwalk, local cafes, supermarkets, neighborhood shops, and quick access to JFK Airport. Tenant is responsible for electricity. Broker represents the tenant. To make this apartment yours, contact U2 Apartment today at 646-504-4483 or by visiting us online at www.u2apartment.com. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with our current listings.